Hello everyone, before we begin, I want to let you know that all of these tips come from technicians at this appliance workshop, which is highly respected in the city. So relax, we're going to solve this. In the workshop, we always explain to customers that the F70 code on a Kenmore dryer isn't just any fault. It's a sign that the control panel and the main board have stopped communicating properly. Some customers mention that the error appears right after turning on the dryer, with the display lit, but the buttons unresponsive. This indicates that communication between the console and the internal electronics has been interrupted, something a technician can confirm by checking connections and readings on the board. We've also noticed that F70 can appear after moving the dryer or after a light bump. In these cases, the cables connecting the control panel to the main board may have loosened or shifted, causing the machine to interpret an error and automatically stop to protect itself. In other experiences, the error comes with beeping and failed attempts to start a cycle. Technicians explain that this happens because the signal the main board receives from the panel doesn't match what it expects, so the system blocks the dryer until proper communication is restored. One of the first recommendations we give in the workshop is a full system reset. Unplug the dryer for several minutes and then plug it back in. This can resolve momentary communication faults or errors caused by electrical interruptions, and many customers notice that the machine temporarily responds after this step. If the reset doesn't fix the problem, the next thing we check in detail are the harnesses and connectors between the panel and the board. A loose, dirty, or worn contact cable can block the communication signal, and adjusting them usually restores normal dryer operation without the need for expensive parts. When all of the above fails, the issue may lie in one of the two electronic components, the control panel or the main board. Some customers report that even after checking connections and performing a reset, the dryer continued showing F70, indicating that an internal module could be sending incorrect readings or failing due to wear.